These dream nostalgia videos are going absolutely viral right now. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to make them by yourself. Here is the one I had created in just 2 minutes. First, open Chat GPT. Here, go to Explore GPTs and search for Dream Nostalgia Video Generator. Once you start the generator, it will provide us 10 different video ideas. For example, I am going with first one. Then GPT will provide us an image prompt and a video prompt. Now copy the image prompt. Now open Flow AI. Here choose Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Paste the prompt here and hit Generate. Here is how mine came out. The nostalgia dream scene, exactly the kind of we wants. Now let's turn it into a video. Choose Create Video, choose Frame to Video, upload the generated image as first frame. Copy the video prompt from GPT and paste it here, then hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I had made using the same method. So that's the full workflow. If this helped you, like the video and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next niche.